Now here by the Dundee Creek Fishing Area. Up around the bend over there is how you get to it. Even down here. Where can you go these days? And the road that brought us here, looking north. But at one time, it continued south right through there. Now grown over. But before my time, that would have been a road going to the water's edge. Now the path to the water's edge bends this way. Of course, now facing the sun. And the lighting can be horrendous when one does so. Interesting walk, though. And up ahead, the water's edge. Hey, I'm the bullfrog. I'm waterproof, remember? And down by Dundee Creek, with a frog croaking somewhere here. I got a relative here. Cool. Very peaceful here, down by the water, down by Dundee Creek. Except for the occasional waves lapping on the shore. In that direction, about a mile, will be the Chesapeake Bay, the only way out of here. Something there across the way. But there's a path over here to the south. So let's go down here and be adventurous. Insects. But there's a puddle there we don't want to walk through. But up there, a cool tree stump. So back the way we came. And back on the path that brought us here. And back where we began. Alright, hope you had fun here at the Dundee Fishing Area. I'm sure she did.